Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to make 2x2 picture in Canva. In order to make 2x2 picture in Canva, first you'll need to open browser of your choice. After that, in the search bar, you'll have to type in canva.com. Homepage of Canva will be directed in your screen. From here, in order to make 2x2 picture, you'll have to tap on Create a Design. From here, on the very last, you can find Custom Size option. You'll have to click on it. Now you'll have to change the units into inches. So you'll have to tap on the units option. And in the very second, you can find the option that says inches. You'll have to click on it. Now in the width and height, you'll have to type in 2 and 2. After that, you'll have to click Create New Design. Now you'll be directed in a page with 2x2 picture. Here as you can see, this page is 2x2. Now you can add anything you like in the picture. Here I'm going to add this one here. You can adjust the size. And as you can see, you have created 2x2 picture in Canva. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to make 2x2 picture in Canva. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.